The gaming laptop market has become increasingly competitive, offering a plethora of options to cater to the diverse needs of gamers and performance enthusiasts. One such contender is the ASUS TUF F17, a gaming laptop that promises power, durability, and value. In this video, we'll delve into assessing the performance of the ASUS TUF F17 and if it's worth taking a look at. Also, details about the products we speak about will be linked down in the description. The ASUS TUF Gaming F17 places a premium on-screen quality, with an IPS panel capable of reaching a refresh rate of 240Hz, but it lacks the punch to fully utilize that output. Most games operate efficiently at mid to low video settings on the F17, but gamers will struggle to play AAA titles at maximum video settings. The F17 functions more like a gaming desktop than a laptop because the battery life is limited to just under 2 hours and the 17-inch screen is difficult to slip inside a tiny bag. While it is not perfect for gamers on the go, it is still reasonably portable, weighing only 5.73 pounds. To take a deeper look at the design of the ASUS TUF F17, the width of 15.71 inches is the first thing that stands out about it. This breadth allows for a full-sized keyboard as well as adequate room for the 17.3-inch monitor. It's not very thick, measuring 0.99 inches tall when closed, which is important if portability is important to you. From top to bottom, it measures 10.59 inches. The TUF chassis is mostly made of plastic as opposed to metal. Some portions have a rough texture with lines, giving it a more purposeful and professional impression than a solid plastic sheet. This decision also contributes to the machine's small weight of 5.73 pounds, which is perfect for its size. The TUF is crammed with 45-degree angles, giving it a genuine edge appearance that is frequently expected from a current gaming computer. These angles appear to be present everywhere, from the asymmetrical spacebar to the hexagonal power button. Another advantage of the huge screen is the increased space on the deck for additional buttons and controllers. We receive a full-sized RGB illuminated keyboard with a numeric keypad on the side. The WASD keys are distinguished from the rest by distinctive keycaps that allow more RGB LEDs to light through. Connectivity-wise, the ports on the laptops are all on the sides with none on the back. The power cord is plugged into the back left, although a rear power and Ethernet connector would have been more flexible. The power port, Ethernet port, HDMI port, 2 USB Type-A connectors, a Thunderbolt 4 port, and a 3.5mm audio jack are all located on the left side. A USB Type-A port is located on the right side. In comparison, the TUF Gaming F17 is both larger and heavier than the 14-inch Acer Predator Triton 300 SE, which weighs just under 4 pounds. The MSI Pulse GL66 is slightly larger, weighing 4.6 pounds and featuring a 15.6-inch screen, so the TUF F17 is definitely on par with its competitors. On to the performance of the device and how it handles gaming. The TUF Gaming F17 is a bit of a mixed bag when it comes to gaming. It's hardly the biggest beast in the kingdom, with an Intel Core i5-11400H NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti, practically the entry-level gaming laptop GPU. Overall, the TUF Gaming F17 outperforms the Acer Predator Triton 300 SE and MSI Pulse GL66, both of which featured more powerful RTX 3060 GPUs. It achieves an average of 46 frames per second in games like Red Dead Redemption 2 when checked on the benchmark on a 1920 by 1080, medium settings run, trailing the Acer Predator Triton 300 SE, which achieved 48 frames per second, and the MSI Pulse GL66, which achieved 51 frames per second. During the Grand Theft Auto 5 benchmark, the game was run on 1080p ultra-high settings. The TUF Gaming F17 averaged 55 frames per second compared to 72 frames per second for the Acer Predator Triton 300 SE and 83 frames per second for the MSI Pulse GL66. On Far Cry New Dawn 1080p, extreme settings, the F17 averaged 50 FPS, significantly lower than the Predator Triton 300 SE's 73 FPS and MSI Pulse GL66's 83 FPS. The gaming performance overall is solid for a budget gaming PC designed for casual gaming. At this price point, the laptop is a significantly high-performing gaming PC. Lastly, let's take a short look at the productivity performance of the laptop. The gaming laptop received a single-core score of 1,354 and a multi-core score of 5,045 on Geekbench 5. This performance is comparable to but somewhat behind that of the Acer Predator Triton 300 SE Intel Core 1-711-375H, which receives scores of 1,483 and 5,234. Overall, the ASUS TUF F17 is a solid gaming PC that uses the Intel Core i5 and Nvidia graphics to provide a strong gaming performance for users. While playing AAA games on high settings may be straining for the laptop, it does the rest just fine and provides a significant productivity performance too. Click on the video to check out more gaming laptops like the MSI GL66, a beefy gaming laptop that is around the same price point.